Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 136 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year video series where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn income, possibly earn a full-time income within 1 year of doing so. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how all this works and what's possible for you if you were to get started today. All right. So let's get right into this video. If you have not watched these videos, please go back and watch the beginning of this video series so you can kind of see where we started to see where we are right now. All right. So we're on day number 136. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Um, this right here, guys, is going to be your My Lead Gen Secret back office. Okay. If you don't know what My Lead Gen Secrets is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads coming into your back office. All right. Now, what separates the two is going to be however many accounts that you have in this account, or how many accounts that you have. Okay. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. Okay. So I'm getting 200 leads in all of my accounts. All right. So if you only have one account, you're just going to get 100 leads. Okay. And if you have multiple accounts, on the last account that you have, you're going to have 100 till somebody actually signs up under you. And then you'll get that 200 leads across all of your accounts. So I just wanted to show you guys how that works. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different between your back office and mine is the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. That's the only difference. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you were to get started, this is, what your back office is going to look like. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. I promoted different offers. Okay. And they do work. Okay. And I've earned income with My Lead Gen Secret itself. And also I've earned income with third party, networks such as ClickBank, Max Bounty, and there are a few others as well. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what's possible for you if you were to get started. Now, for this series, we are using ClickBank. And the reason why we're using ClickBank because it's free to get started, okay? And if you sign up, there's no waiting period for you to get your account activated, okay? If you meet the quick qualifications, you can get started and hit the ground running pretty quickly, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and how easy it is to send out an email in the system. Let's go ahead and get right into this back office and let's talk about a few things. So right here is the My Leads tab, guys. This is going to show you that you do have a brand new 200 leads coming in every single day. Okay. So the cool thing about this program, guys, is that you're going to be able to get in front of new people every single day. Okay. And as long as you stay with the system, you're going to get thousands and thousands upon thousands of people saved in this back office, guys. So it's definitely worth your time. So I would recommend you guys getting started today with this program so you can start building up your list. Okay, and you can, sky's the limit on the type of traffic, the type of money that you can make with this thing. Okay, so I created a brand new ClickBank account just for specifically for this method, just to show you guys how all this works. Okay, so we're going to get into all this. All right. So the tab you're going to be hanging out in guys, is the mailing system. This is where you're going to send all your emails. Okay, so pretty much what you would do on a day's work, you're going to come in, you're going to click on select all. You're going to grab an email. Now, there's going to be 3 ways that you're going to come up with an email. Okay, number one is you can create an email yourself if you're good at, coming up with words and emails and stuff like that. You can do that. You're going to grab an affiliate link and you want to plug that into your email and you're going to send that out to this list. Okay. Number two is you can use a AI service such as ChatGPT or some email AI service that you can use to create emails. Okay. And number three is to use the free email swipes that are from the vendor that we're using, okay, which is probably going to be the easiest to do, okay? So the cool thing about this My Lead Gen Secret traffic is that there's no guesswork on what type of traffic it is. Okay. These people are looking for ways to make money online. These are business opportunity leads. Okay. So all the guesswork is done. All we got to do is go out and find business opportunity offers that are related to making money online. And we find those offers and we plug them into our email and we send them out to this traffic every single day. Okay. And every day, every 24 hours, you can come in and send out your email. Now, with me, I usually send my emails at night. Okay. So I come in every 24 hours. I'm able to come in every night and send out my emails. Okay. And with 8 of my accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. It's super quick and super easy. Okay. So I just want to run through real quick on how to send out an email. Okay. So pretty much what you would want to do is you would come over here to this offer and you would pick out an offer that you want to use on ClickBank in the Make Money Online section, in the e-business e-marketing section, and you grab one of those business opportunity offers. Now they're all going to have free email swipes. So pretty much what you would want to do is you would just come here and you wanted to send out these emails right here. So pretty much you would just, start from number one and just work your all the way down to number 20. Okay. And I'm just going to run through real quick, like to show you how to send out an email. So you would just take this right here, guys. Just take this subject line. Okay. Control C, copy it, come over here to the mailing system. You come down here, you paste it in right there. All right. You come down here to the body of text, click on perfect timing. Take this out right here and you're going to plug in this body of text right here. It's just, this is what I mean, guys, is all you doing is copying and pasting. Like it's just super easy. Okay. You want to come down here and then just control V, right? Take out signature. There's going to be three things that you need to do in the email. Number one is you're going to replace the signature with your name. Number two is you're going to take out this name example. You're going to take that out because basically this email is telling you that you want to put a name right there, a customer's name, an embedded code. Okay. And these are the codes right here that you're going to be using. And the only one that you're going to be using is this one right here, where it says first name. This is don't worry about these other ones because when you send out an email, you want to address your prospect by their first name. Yeah, you don't want to address them by their full name or last name. You want to address them by their first name so it makes it more personable. Okay. So you come here and you control V and you plug in that code. So when this email goes out, it says like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, hey, whatever your name is. And then it goes into the email. Okay. Now, also you come here and this bold text right here is made for you to make this a clickable link. Okay, that's why they highlighted it for you. That way, a customer knows where to click at whenever they're reading your email. So let's go ahead and grab this. Matter of fact, let's just grab this whole sentence, and we're going to make this whole sentence a clickable links. And how you do that is you come here to the link tab. You click on that. You come back over here to the mailing system and you're going to grab a link. There's going to be an affiliate link underneath every email. Okay. So you just grab this link and what you're going to have to do is replace your ClickBank ID and you're going to replace that with your affiliate ID. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here and control V, right? And you want to come back here and let's just take this out and you put in your affiliate ID, the one that you came up with whenever you started ClickBank and you click on OK. Okay, what that does, as you can see, it turns that into a clickable link. Okay, pretty cool. So, and me, I like to make my emails a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18. So as you can see, this email is ready to go out. Okay, so not only do you have the name of who the email is from, you also are addressing your customer by their first name, and then you also giving them a call to action text to click on. So basically, when they click on that, it goes to your affiliate page. Your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. It's going to let them know the opportunity that's in front of them, and it'll be up to them to go ahead and get started. All right. So all we got to do, all work is done. All we got to do is get them there. Right. So you want to create a really compelling email or just come in and use these free email swipes. This is what I did. This is what I do. I come in, I just use these email swipes and I just use them over and over and over and over again, guys. So And also, like I said, you can repurpose these emails with Chat GPT, and create your own. But for right now, I would just keep it super simple, guys, and just keep sending out these same emails over and over and over again. Okay. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. And you come down here, guys, and you click on send. You just sent out an email in the My Legion secret, guys. It's just super easy to do. Okay. Now, if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. So you just come down here to this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page for My Legion Secrets. You just come down here. And as you can see, check out some of these testimonials, like some of these results from some of the members that are in our community. And there's just a lot of people, guys, making money with this program. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that it's just not only me earning income, there's more than just me making money with this. Okay. So I'm not the only one. All right. And if you go out online, you're going to be able to see other people that are earning income with this as well. All right. So I wouldn't waste any more time, guys. Get into this now. Get into this today. You won't be sorry that you did. Okay. And I wasn't sorry a few years ago when I got started. Okay. So there is a one-time charge, as you can see right here, of $60 to get started, $30 a month fee to keep the accounts. Like, it's just a no-brainer. It's very low cost for what you're getting, and that $30 a month, you're just keeping all the subscribers that you have each and every month. That way, you can send out emails every day. Right? It's just a no-brainer. $30 for thousands of people coming in every single month. I'm taking it. Okay, whether you take it or not, I'm still gonna pay my $30 to keep my account. So, okay, so it'd be up to you to sign up. All right. So go ahead and get started today, guys. Let me know that you did sign up. I'll send you some additional emails that I came up with that, work really good. I also got emails that I've collected over the years of doing this, guys, from other people that has worked for me and has worked for other people. So I have just tons of different emails that I can give you guys. All right. So that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. I'm not going to make this video super long. Today is the 9th. As you can see up here, I like to do the last 30 days just to kind of show you the algorithm. We did earn money today. Okay, as you can see, it's the 9th. We earned a commission, but these are the last 30 days. As you can see, things have been consistent. We have been earning income every other day or every 2 days, okay, that we've been earning income. This has been the algorithm pretty much. Right here is a bigger gap because I was out of town and I was not on top of my emails and videos and things like that. Okay, but as soon as I got back, and as if you've been watching my videos, you know that around this time I was in Nebraska helping my daughter move in for college, so I missed quite a bit of time right here. But as soon as I got back, as you can see, as soon as I got back, I started sending emails, started shooting my videos, and as you can see, the sales come right back in, just like this algorithm right here. We start getting sales every day, back to back, or every other day, or every 2 days, right? We haven't gone sending these emails every day. We haven't gone. It's not been over 2 days to earn a commission. Okay, so that's telling me what that's telling you is that the more and more we send these emails out, the more we keep doing this, what we're doing right here, guys, the closer that these sales are going to get together. Okay. So this is something that I would recommend. I mean, this is not some get rich quick scheme. I'm not promising you anything. I'm not, saying that if you get started, you're going to make thousands of dollars next week. It just doesn't work that way. Okay. But if you follow exactly what I'm showing you, okay, these results right here, if you follow my steps, you're going to be doing the same thing and you're going to be on track to earning income with this method, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and how you can start earning the extra income that you need. Maybe it's to help with the car payment. Maybe it's to keep the lights on in your house, help with your electric bill, gas bill, water bill, car, mortgage, rent, whatever. Okay. Let's see, whatever bills that you may have that, you need help with. All right. This is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to use to do that. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and how you can get started. ClickBank is free, guys. I don't have any link for ClickBank. I'm not trying to sell you on ClickBank. You actually don't have to use this one. You can use Warrior Plus. They have business opportunity offers. Also, you can use JVZoo. They have business opportunity offers. Max Bounty is a CPA network. They have some really good CPA offers that I've already tested that do work. Okay. But ClickBank, like I said, is free. It takes about under 5 minutes to get your account. And you can start using some of these same offers that I'm using right now, getting started today if you were to get your accounts. Okay. So I've sent out my emails already so far. Okay. So I just wanted to come in today. Like I said, I'm just doing this every day. I'm showing you guys results. I'm showing you guys how to send out emails. I'm showing you this method until you get started. All right. So I'm not going to stop sending out emails, guys. This is something that's just a part of my daily routine. I got other stuff that I do online, guys, that I earn income with. So this is probably one of the lowest things that I do. This is like, just some extra chump change. But the cool thing about this method, guys, is that if you send these emails out and you stay with it for months and months, and year, 2 year, you'll start killing it. You'll start crushing, okay, and you'll start making, making some really good money with this. This is just the beginning. We're not even halfway through this video series of this 1 year. So just imagine just you staying on top of this. You're going to see these results, guys, right here. You're going to see these get closer and closer, and you're going to start seeing the commissions get higher. All right. So I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'll see you guys back here again at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.